It is used to flatten a nested array structure by concatenating all nested arrays into a single flat array. When you call the flat method on an array, it creates a new array that is flattened version of the original array. Any nested array within the original array are recursively flattened and their elements are concatenated into the resulting flat array. By default, the flat method flattens the array with a depth of 1, meaning it removes one level of nesting. For example, we have an array called nested array, and it is netted the depth of 1. Now, when we call flat without any argument, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By default, the flat method flattens the array with a depth of 1, just like we've seen, meaning it removes one level of nesting. If the nested arrays have multiple levels, you can provide an optional depth parameter to specify the depth to which the array should be flattened. So, for instance, I'm going to add another depth here and here. So, we're having two levels. The first level has 1 and 2 and the array, which array has 3 and 4, and another array which has 5 and 6. Output is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and another nested array because the default depth is 1 in a flat. So let's save. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, and another nested array which is 5 and 6 because by default the flat is always 1. So when we change this in add, which is an optional value, when add, let's say we're going to up to depth 2 and we save, we are expecting that it's going to change and flatten all the arrays in that level. If we had like 10 nested depths, we could have changed this argument to make sure that all the nested arrays have been flattened and we only have one array. The flat method does not modify the original array. It returns a new flattened array. If you only want to flatten the array by one level, you can use flat without any argument or specify a depth of 1. So it is either you're going to use without argument or with 1. It's just the same thing. It is important to note that flat method is useful when you have nested arrays and want to create a single flat array with all the elements. It simplifies the process of working with nested data structure and allows you to perform operations on the flattened array more easily. And that is how flat method works. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.